Okay, we're going to do a little unboxing. So this is the Mysterious Kingdom Bird Spirit Tarot, Spirit Tarot, the most perfect interpretation of fate, the most exquisite tarot pattern. Okay, so it got a little bit banged up in the mail, and the cards don't quite fit, but there is a little bag in here and a little white booklet, although it is all in Chinese, except for the very front and the very back and a little piece here. And gosh knows I love some weirdly translated stuff, so let's read these. Magic of the world. There is someone that is coming or passing away in your life around the clock, so you may lose sight of those seen and forget the bows remembered. There is gain and loss in your life, so you may catch sight of those unseen and remember those forgotten. Nevertheless, doesn't the unseen exist for sure? Will the remembered? Welcome to the tarot world. Tarot. The world is full of mysteries, full of magic and wonder. There's so much more than what we see, can't explain the spell I'm under. Every time I look upon your face, I'm constantly amazed, and love moves through my days in mysterious ways. Predict your future. The most perfect explain the fate of the tarot. Okay, so that's that. And we have the cards. And the cards are really pretty on the back. I love this background. And the spirit birds. Okay, so they're just, I think they're gorgeous. Gorgeous little bird cards. We have the devil. All of the knights have a little cat that they ride or hung out with instead of a horse, which I think is pretty cool. King of Swords. Yes. I just love this. Both the Justice and the Temperance card are owls. I love it. The Magician. Hierophant. Aww. Aww. I love it. So many good little bird critters. Yes. Six of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles. I'm happy. The little rain won't make me sad. It's so cute. Another knight with its little cat buddy. Alright, then I have these two small decks. They're very small. They were listed as student decks. I don't know if they were students that designed them, but they both say Magic World on them. And the little thing that it says on the side is the exact same thing that it says on the back of the bird spirit. These come with, again, similar little white books that are also all in Chinese. And this is the back of the deck. A little insert there. And then they are all beautiful stained glass style imagery. Oh, hello, another insert. And it looks like I ordered 2 of the same, so I don't remember ordering 2 of this, but maybe I did, or maybe they sent me the wrong one. I have to go check my order. But I think these are really beautiful. So you can see that the 2 decks are identical, but the printing quality is slightly different. One is a lighter coloration and one has more saturation. But they're both really gorgeous, and I just wanted to show you the cups all in a row are kind of a mermaidy theme. And then interestingly, the court cards don't have like any moniker up here, so it looks like the king and the queen are dark-haired, and then the page and the knight are both light-haired. And the swords have this sort of elven green thing going on. Pretty beautiful. And then the pentacles have this sort of purpley blue coloration, along with the golden of the coins. And I think all of these you're just going to kind of have to know what it is that you're looking at. Particularly with the court cards, they're not very easily, not easy to tell which ones they are, except the queens and the kings tend to have crowns, and the pages and the knights don't, and the knights usually have the horse. And then the wands are this very, very fiery quality, which is super apropos. I love the storytelling in these images. And then there's no horse in this knight. So again, just knowing what each of the court cards look like ahead of time. And then we have the major arcana, starting with the Fool. I think these are just freaking beautiful. They just totally get my child. They remind me of the artistry from the old Disney Sleeping Beauty, which I loved as a kid. I love that strength. Look at that. And just the stained glass aspect of it. There's just a lot of freedom and motion, super colorful, very, you know, reads well as a Rider-Waite deck. And then look at that star and this moon. I love the sun.